You have to believe in every word that I said.
Nah, siyuko that naughty. Just trying to be me.
I see who you are. A dump site of all crazy things.
Nope. Stop being judgmental. Mi sijai kuingililia.
About your girlfriend having a girlfriend.
Yeah. Najua huwa it make any sense. But it's in a life. And I'm trying to live it the way I feel it's right.
But she'll never allow any pen write her book.
It's better the retro, you know. Wow. This girl is beautiful.
Yeah. She's Maya. The new girl in the hood.
Hi, baby girl. She's worth my heart. I mean, she's the only flesh meat in the hood.
Mr. Lover Boy. You can try, or else you'll keep playing with mud.
Think twice, bro.
Hi baby girl. I see you're back. How was Evan when you left it?
Hi, Lenny. You got me. But when it comes to that, I'm kinda off.
But when you came along, you just turned me on.
Are you kidding me?
But I wish you could just grab my hands so that I can go and tell my friends I've been touched by an angel.
Your wish is granted. How do I change? I mean, you're always sweet.
I know I'm sweet and cute. She'll fall for me. I mean, I'm the new age Solomon.
Jackie, acha ufala, cause sometimes you act like a madman.
How does that make me mad?
Shinda hapo madman. Watende nyumbani.
Sawa, sana hisi njaa.
Are you trying to bribe me the romantic words?
Z. But it's a chance we have to take. I just believe when you meeting again after a couple of years. It seems that we are compatible.
Really?
Wow. I see. You're good in this. Apart from being sexy, I love you.
Am I supposed to say anything?
Maybe, why not?
Yeah. It's very possible kupata love from hate. Sometimes situations will affect decision.
Kweli? But mademu wengine huwa tricky. Demu akikuchukia, manze that's the end.
Bro, it depends on who is talking and who. Kumbuka Ririan alikuwa na beef na wewe, mkasumbuana and then mkapendana.
A different case though. But usikii mimi sioni kama nitaendelea kuwa single.
Kuwa serious. Demu yako amededi juzi. Tulia roho yake ifike peponi.
Ai. What do you mean by that? Mimi mapenzi siyaweki kwa roho. Nafaa sitaki kwenda na roho yangu.
Sasa unaongea kama shetani mwenyewe.
I hope it makes me such a new. They would pour hard on that mouth. Made me lose control.
I understand. But wewe pia huwa na make noise. Lakini that was extreme. I mean, it was like next level right.
It was awesome. And for protection, made the room smell chocolate.
Oh, yeah. I love eating chocolate. Oh, that look. You get that scene is something else. It's a mob. I don't have vanilla.
Baby, that's how you go. You know I love you. Nanijua vizuri and you're naughty.
I feel like when I kiss you.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Wait, what do you mean?
Simple. I can't survive without a camel toe. Some moments make world a better place.
Wow. Sikuwa najua hivyo. So you mean you're designed to shag every girl in this hood?
Did I say that? Or that's how the news read? By the way, unasikia wakisemaje? Is there something like love?
Nani how? Because for me, you don't have to touch to know love is everywhere you go.
I think that's the effect of reading too many Leman's book.
Naona umeanza kupungukiwa na akili wewe.
They say love is blind. But for the last 2 weeks, nimekuwa nikiona as if I'm perfectly wearing goggles.
What's that? Actually, nilidhani I would make in a bad move. Jumping out of my life into your arms.
I told you, I'm the only male creature that can get deep into your inner corners and leave your heart smiling.
Are you crazy? Let me not stamp that. Look at that bad. You sweat too much to make the ends meet.
Why I say that? At least I'm trying to make my love story amazing.
You know nakupenda. And I'm open to see how far you will take your love story. Can you go?
Yeah. And I'm sorry. It's our love.
I didn't believe in love until I met you. You know, your lips knows how to smother mine with kisses.
Thanks. What we share will last forever if it's real. But you still have time to prove so.
Why say that? Oh. You are seeing someone else.
Jaden, I have eyes. What makes you think I'm not supposed to see someone else?
Stop taking this lightly. So, you have another boyfriend? Or his husband?
Look at my finger. It's empty. Because it's like you're turning into a CBC kid.
So you think I need maturing pills?
See some. Sasa nitafanya nini? Wote wako sawa. God help me.